Hey everyone, like the t-shirt, gotta love a bit of pepper pig. So, one of the first things that I ever did cook was probably an omelette, and that was, what, 20, 25 years ago maybe? And I think in the last couple of years I've mastered it. So I'm going to cook one for tea tonight, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Probably not the most technical way of doing it. I mean, I'm sure the majority of the chefs on TV would cringe and have their heads in their hands looking at how I'm going to do it. I don't care because for me it's tasty and it's spot on. So I have an induction type cooker, which is no good for my Ridgemonkey. So I'm going to be using my camping stove. Let me show you how I do it. So for my omelette, I like to have a bit of bacon in it. I'm going to use 3 rashers. I also add onion. A couple of cloves of garlic. I do like my omelettes cheesy, so I do add quite a bit of that as well. I'm going to use 4 eggs. I find 4 eggs makes a nice big omelette. You don't need to add anything else with the meal then, maybe just a bit of bread. Bit of seasoning, pepper. Give it a good whisk. Get it nice and mixed in. Then finally a bit of mixed herbs. When I cook the bacon, I put the leftover fat in the Ridgemonkey ready, which is what you can see. I'm just going to add a little bit of spray oil as well. And normally I would make my omelettes in a frying pan and then brown the top of it in the oven. But the Ridgemonkey is quite good for this type of meal because you can just flip it over. Just give it a quick whisk when it starts to solidify. Just gets a bit of air into the omelette. Then add the onion, bacon, and half of the cheese. Allow it to cook for a couple of minutes. once it started to cook on the base and it goes solid, then I'll flip it. It's cooked nicely there. I'm just going to add the rest of the cheese now. I'll turn it a couple of times just so that neither side burns. There we go, nice healthy omelette. Smells amazing, smells great. If you like what you see, give it a like and comment, and I'll answer any comments that you got. Gonna do more of the cooker ones. The next one I think will probably be pasta based maybe, but anyway, I'm gonna go and eat this and I'll catch you very soon. Take care, bye now.